20-bar handbrake, doing perfect freaking circle wheelies on this thing. Rizzler by Electo&Co stuffed in the Mini. Let's go down to the garage, put it together, man. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? We are back with another one. New day, beautiful day, man. We're back in America, back at a DBM garage. It's still my first week back. We got a big surprise from Electo&Co. Like the week I was coming back, they messaged me. They told me they wanted to give me a new gift for the year. I was like, hell yeah, send it. So, yo, we unboxing a new bike today. We're unboxing a new Rizzler from Electo&Co. The UPS man just dropped it off to me. Got the bike from the UPS man. I'm super excited. I was waiting at the window like a little kid, of course. I got the bike right here in the alley. I'm about to unbox it, put it together, do a little first ride, charge the battery up a little bit. Like I said, first week back in America, first video in a minute. I think I'm gonna drop this video first just to catch up a little bit. And then I'm gonna skip back and forth, drop some shit from Greece, drop some shit from here. We got a crazy summer coming back at the DBM garage. Had a crazy time in Greece. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you to Monster Energy, thank you to all the sponsors, and thank you to Electo&Co, of course. You already know, man. Let's get it. If you're shopping on Electo&Co, make sure you use my discount code DBM5. It's gonna get you 5% off. When you spend a lot of money, it makes a big difference. So make sure you use that. Helps me and it helps you. Shows that you're supporting. Shout out to all the guys that support. Let's get this bike unboxed, man. Let's get it. I'm excited. All right, that's it. I got it in the garage. Time to do the unboxing on the Rizzler from Electo&Co. You already know, man. DBM5 at checkout for the discount. Let's do it. All right, so like I said, guys, this is the Rizzler from Electo&Co. I've been rocking with Electo&Co for the past year and a half now. I started out with the RTR, fell in love with the RTR. I ride the RTR every single day. I went to a bunch of races on it. Like I said, I ride it every single day. I beat the hell out of it. I even backflipped it. We did a lot of crazy shit with the RTR, so I love Electo&Co. I love the RTR. Really good company here in California, here in America, in California. Everything designed in California. And it's a really good company, good communication. It's actual real humans. It's Americans. We speak the same language. We got almost the same thoughts when it comes to bikes and stuff like that. And they're really good at getting back with their riders and everybody that they got on the program and their customers, of course. I know a lot of people that got RTRs now. And last year when I got it, I was probably the first person in Baltimore to get an ETM RTR. Nobody really knew what it was. And there was a few Surons here and there. And we had the first ever electric bike / pit bike ride out here in Baltimore, hosted by me and a bunch of friends. And I thought it was going to take like 2 or 3 years for the e-bike thing to catch on in Baltimore, but no, it's blown up. Everybody's getting them in Baltimore, and everybody in every state nearby has got them already. It's completely out of control, but it's awesome. It's bringing a lot of new riders to the scene. It's bringing kids, it's bringing families, bringing girls, all types of things. So it's awesome, man. The e-bike scene is crazy. There's a lot of new riders, a lot of new bikes out. We're riding and testing them, but we're pretty loyal to our companies and the people that mess with us. So I waited patiently, and Electo&Co hit me up. They said it's time for me to get a new bike. So we got a new bike for this year. This is gonna be the City Bopper. I'm always riding my RTR out on the streets. Y'all know me, I change tires for a living, so I change like fucking 4 or 5 tires a month. Now I won't be changing tires because I'm gonna be out on my Rizzler every day riding around the city, and I'll have my RTR for hitting the trails or going in the dirt or even going to a race or doing some backflips or whatever. So that's what we're doing, man. We unboxing the Rizzler. Super shout out to Electo&Co for the Rizzler. Make sure you use my discount code when you're shopping, DBM5. First video back in America. Let's do it, man. I was super excited to get this bike. I waited by the window like a little kid for the UPS man. He pulled up. I got the bike, brought it straight here, and now I'm making the video for y'all. So let's do it. This thing I'm going to do, you already know. We got the charger right here. Oh, a little bit smaller. It's smaller, but it's looking like the same. Is it? pretty much the same hookup. I haven't seen my RTR in like 7 months, so I think it's the same hookup as the RTR though, so that's pretty cool. And I think the battery is interchangeable, so now I'm packaging. Everything is in here safe and sound. What do we got? Get this out. Oh shoot. Hopefully we didn't mess anything up already. This is for the headlight. I think I just yanked that out. Yo, what is this? Chain lube, handlebar mounts, and a front number plate. You got your back shock in here, I bet. Yep. Oh, adjustable rear shock. That's crazy on a mini bike. Hey, back in my neighborhood, back at my garage. All the neighbors are happy to see me, so it's cool. I get down here early, take care of my things, do some stuff for me. Then all the riders pull up after like 3, 4 o'clock. We hang out, fix some bikes. But anyways, back to the Rizzler. Let me see what we got. I don't even know. I don't know if I could lift this thing up. I don't know if I'm that strong. Let me see. Oh shit. There we go. There we go. All right, let me get my stand. Well, you see, I'm having trouble figuring out how the hell it's gonna sit up. But this is the Rizzler from Electo&Co, not put together. We're unboxing it now. Super hype. Looks super cool. So this is what we're doing, y'all. Putting this together. I'm gonna set this up on something for now. I got this cooler right here. All right, so from what I know, or from what I think I know, is we gotta put on the front wheel, handlebars, headlight, speedometer display and all that stuff. Front number plate, front fender, handlebars. Snip these. Ding. And put in the rear shock. So I'm gonna get on that now. I'm gonna do all that slowly. Not slowly, I'm gonna do it because I'm excited. I want to ride this thing. All right, guys, so I did just take the battery out. It does look a little bit different than the RTR battery. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm hoping this fits in the RTR so I can use it in the RTR too. But I'm gonna put this on the charger a little bit so I can get it charging while I put the bike together. Because just like back in the day when you get a new power wheel or something, you're not gonna fully charge it. I'm putting on the charger for however long I can until I get this bike together, and then I'm going for a ride. So let's do that. All right, so we got the front wheel on. All right, y'all, so I just put the shock on, the rear shock, and the front wheel. I think I put it on correctly. I'm not sure. Yeah, should be correct. Wow. That's going to be the height of the bike after I raise up these fork clamps. That's pretty much it. I could put the seat on for you guys. Let me put the seat on so you can see exactly what height it's at. This is pretty much it. Middle of my thigh. I'm about 5'10", so it's a cool little size bike, city bopper as I call it. So I could ride around the city and have fun with my friends, do crazy hood rat shit with my friends, All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. The Rizzler from Electo&Co. Super easy build. All you had to do is put in the rear shock, the front wheel, the front brakes, adjust the front forks, put in the headlight, front plastics, handlebars. What else? I think that's pretty much it. It sounds like a lot, but it's a super easy build. It took me 15, 20 minutes. Damn, I haven't been on my RTR in a minute. These brakes feel lovely. I'm going to adjust the handlebars a little bit. I got the battery charged. I'm going to let it charge like another 30, 40 minutes. I'm going to put it in this thing, and we're going to go for the first ride, man. I've been waiting for this thing. They messaged me, like I said, messaged me when I was in Greece, so I've been excited for this since I was in a whole different country. Finally made it back to America. They sent me the bike. Super shout out to Electo&Co for that. And we're about to take a first ride here in a couple minutes and just letting the battery charge up. admiring the new bike that we got. I know everybody that comes down the garage is gonna be riding this thing. So yeah, this is the new City Bopper. Thanks everybody for watching. About to get a first ride going in a second. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, we came out here for the first ride. We did the unboxing. We're at one of my local spots, one of my favorite spots. You might have seen this spot in some other videos. Got y'all on the gimbal right now because I'm by myself. But yo, this is the Rizzler from Electo&Co. This bike is badass. I rode it over here. I didn't ride it too much before the video because I want y'all to get my real first reaction. But I rode it over here. It's weird when you first ride it. Obviously the tires, these freaking Mongo street tires, they're funny to ride on. It's a little bit weird wheeling. I actually didn't get the hang of wheeling. Got to get the hang of the tires a little bit. And I'm not even talking about wheeling. I didn't even try to wheelie it yet. I'm going to do the first wheelie on camera and show you guys how it goes. But yo, this is the Rizzler from Electo&Co. Tell you a few things about it. I think it's a 60 volt battery, 26 amp hours, the 5 kilowatts max output. It's got upside down front forks. It's got an adjustable rear shock. Goes about 50 miles an hour. It's got a headlight, a tail light. It's got this little wheelie bar thing. It's got a little compartment underneath the seat to hold if you want to put your charger for a long ride or put some tools or whatever you got going on. So this is my new City Bopper. Like I said, I've been riding the RTR everywhere. I'm changing tires 4 times a month because I'm beating the shit out of the tires. And that bike is taking a beating. And now I got the Rizzler. Now I got a bike for a friend to ride, or I got something I could just come out on every day in the city and just hang out. All right, I'm about to do a first ride on camera. I got the mic hooked up. I got it charged up to 99%. Well, now after I came over here, it's at 96. I'm gonna put it on mode 1 just to see how it is right here. This is mode 1. It's not a 72 volt, it's a 60 volt. It's not 8 kilowatts, it's 5 kilowatts, but it's still, you know, it's good. It's got good range. It's good to ride around the city. This is from a stop. Full throttle on 1. It still lifts up at 1. Throw it on 2. I'm not gonna get all crazy with the modes because y'all already saw this bike on YouTube. I'm just doing my version of the test, and we're gonna do some crazy shit with this bike. We might even backflip it. But anyways, mode 2, full throttle from a dead stop. Oh yeah, it's got the little squeaky tires too. That's cool. All right, now we're gonna do mode 3 from a dead stop, or sport mode, whatever y'all call it. Oh. Oh. Whoop. All right, so this is the Rizzler from Electo&Co. My new City Bopper. I'm here at the skate park trying it out, doing a little things. Like I said, I got you on the gimbal. I got the mic hooked up. Brand new out the box. Bike is brand new out the box. I'm on mode 2 right now. Oh, the balance point is there. What the hell? The balance point is there. You don't even gotta try. Oh, that's crazy. Really good balance point, guys. I'm in mode 2 right now. You could do it in mode 1 too. Let me put it in mode 1 for you. This is on mode 1. Whoop. It's weird. Like I said, these street tires are gonna pull you side to side a little bit until I get the hang of it. I don't know how to wheelie anyways. Really nice hydraulic brakes. Oh, we got a little jump right here. Man. Oh, nice. See if we can get some circles going. Whoa. With the street tires, it wants to go straight into a circle by itself. That's really why I don't ride supermotos. I don't really like how the tires control. I want to go where I want to go. I want to go where I want to go, and I can do that on the knobbies. Ah, so weird. It's like I want to freaking... Okay, it's one of those. You got to turn the handlebars. Oh, with the legs up. Y'all can't do that. Oh. So you see it. First wheelies on the Rizzler from Dirt Bike Manny, from the Mafia. This thing is cool, man. I got to get used to the street tires, like I said, but it's super cool. I just did circles in the first 2 minutes with my feet on the pegs. I didn't test out the wheelie bar yet, so let me test out the wheelie bar a little bit. Like I said, I got it on mode 2. Mode 2 is good enough, just messing around. See some of my handbrake skills. Whoa. Ha. Whoa. Oh, this is sick. Look at this wheelie bar, handbrake, doing perfect freaking don't circle wheelies on this thing in the first 2 minutes. Am I that good, or is this bike that good? I don't know, but if you go on Electo&Co and get this bike or the RTR or any other bike from Electo&Co, make sure you use my discount code DBM5. I don't know, should I rip up the freaking skate park a little bit? I might get a little crazy in the skate park. I'm gonna wrap it up, go for a little blast around town, get some clips of that, and then go open up the garage, man. I'm back in town. It's been 7 months. I was in Greece doing my thing, living a DBM bike life dream. Finally back. Time to get to work. This is an awesome gift. Awesome welcome home gift from Electo&Co. I love it. Can't wait to get my RTR too from Chad. We might go to a race this weekend. Not exactly sure. I gotta work, but I'm super blessed to have all these things. Super blessed to be able to do all this stuff. And that's what it's all about, man. We're enjoying everything one day at a time. All right, y'all, that's it for that ride. We'll save the rest for another video, but on mode 2 right now, on the Rizzler. That was not full speed, obviously. I'm just freaking bobbing back home, trying to get back to the garage. Especially going 45 with one hand on this fucking thing. That's about it, y'all. That's a wrap, man. The new Rizzler from Electo&Co. Shout out to Electo&Co. Make sure you use my discount code DBM5 when you're shopping on their website. Get a nice discount on bikes or parts and help me out too. And I said it's gonna be a good summer, man. This is a nice ass bike. This is the perfect city bopper. Oh shit. This is the perfect city bopper, as I would call it. I don't gotta put the wear and tear on my RTR. It's fast, it pops wheelies. That's all I need to be out on the e-bike ride outs and the bike party and all that shit. All the cool stuff that we do in Baltimore. So that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Shout out to Monster Energy, all the sponsors. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for supporting. Catch y'all on the next one, man. Back in the garage. Look at this old man watching the fucking news.